Today I'm coming to you from the Sheraton Convention Center in Buenos Aires. We're in room 1611. As you enter, this is the view you get. On one side, there's a little mini bar and an empty fridge. Okay. Some shelving, closet space, and a safe. On the other side is an ironing board, an iron. I don't know what's up here. Doesn't look like I can open it. Doesn't seem like I can open that. Okay. If I turn to the right, here's the bathroom. One sink, a bidet, a toilet, and behind the door is the shower. And these are the toiletries that are available with some towels on top. Okay, as I enter the room, this is a room with two full-size beds or two queen beds possibly. Okay, you have a luggage storage, flat screen TV, some dresser, drawers, okay, empty. You have a desk with a chair and a mirror, a lamp, another sofa chair with a lamp. And here's the view from the other side. Okay. Turning back around, let's see what kind of view we have. Ooh, it's beautiful. This is the view of the park, I think. Yeah. And then when you look down this window, you see the pool, tennis courts. Okay, that's it for the room tour today. Thank you for joining me. See you later.